Here's something that's gonna make your home security a lot easier. eufyCam 3C. Its battery lasts 180 days, so you can set it and forget it, focusing on what truly matters. And eufyCam 3C is smart too. With Bionic Mind, it can tell the difference between family, friends, and strangers. Customized notifications to only be alerted when it's important, like deliveries. Just put it at the door, thank you. Bionic Mind improves with self-learning after every face or body recognition. In time, improving accuracy up to 99.9%. No matter what you wear or how you approach eufyCam 3C, it knows who you are. Want to see something far away? Watch this! Zoom in! Keep going! Still not close enough. Nice one! We found it! At night, eufyCam 3C shines a spotlight on important triggers. And you can expand the storage up to 16 terabytes by adding a hard drive. That's a near endless amount of images. And you get all of that for no monthly fee. Wow, that's quite a storm. Well, eufyCam 3C isn't afraid of a little rain thanks to IP65 weatherproof protection. It's built tough, with intelligent hardware to handle any situation. eufyCam 3C, 4K detail with Bionic Mind.
Congratulations on purchasing the Arlo Ultra Plus Series 4K wire-free security camera from the nation's #1 network-connected camera brand. Arlo Ultra delivers ultimate peace of mind and is loaded with features including 4K video, color night vision, an integrated spotlight, panoramic view, noise-canceling audio, and more. Arlo comes in a variety of kit options. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Arlo Ultra Plus Series 4-pack camera kit. The kit includes 4 Arlo Ultra 4K wire-free cameras, the most advanced camera we've ever created. The cameras have a magnetic charging cable. The cable also wraps around the back of the mount to hide any unneeded slack in the cable. Arlo Ultra's improved design lets you replace batteries from the front, so you won't need to move the position of your camera once installed. Just place them in the camera with the logo facing up and they'll last for months on a single charge. Arlo Ultra's modular design prevents accidental dropping of the camera with its built-in catch that catches the camera as it slides out from the base. There are 4 camera mounts included, 2 magnetic and 2 screw mounts to give you a wider panoramic view and even greater flexibility in positioning your cameras. The kit also includes all the mounting hardware you'll need to easily install the cameras on any surface at your home or business and be up and running in just minutes. Finally, the Quick Start Guide and the Arlo app will walk you through connecting your Arlo Ultra cameras to the Smart Hub. There are also a number of accessory options available with Arlo Ultra, including a solar panel, a dual battery charger that charges batteries 15% faster, indoor and outdoor magnetic charging cables, and additional batteries and magnetic wall mounts so you can expand and upgrade your security system. Enjoy greater safety, security, and peace of mind with Arlo Ultra, the clearest choice for wire-free security. For an installation tutorial and other Arlo content, please visit the community pages at arlo.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Your home deserves an affordable security system that stops crime before it even gets started. Enter the Lorex 4K UltraHD Active Deterrence Security System. Industry-leading 4K resolution cameras leave no action overlooked and no detail unnoticed. Active Deterrence camera comes equipped with a LED warning light to ward off would-be intruders. And with customizable notification and an audible siren, you have the power to protect your home from anywhere, day or night. Long-range infrared night vision delivers clear viewing in the dark. Digitally zoom in on details in both live or recorded video. and no monthly monitoring or cloud storage fees, so you can keep your costs down and security up. Safely record motion events with everything stored on your personal DVR. Lorex Home Security. The best defense is active deterrence.
Hey everyone, welcome back to REOLINK Studio. Today, we're playing big. We're taking a closer look at the REOLINK RLC 823S2 security camera. This camera boasts some impressive features, and we're about to explore them all. From its high definition resolution to its PTZ capabilities, we'll break down everything you need to know to decide if this camera is the perfect fit for your security needs. This camera comes with a 1/2.8-inch CMOS sensor, which is a type of image sensor commonly found in security cameras, including the REOLINK RLC 823S2. This also packs a punch with the resolution of 3840 by 2160, also known as 8 megapixels at 25 frames per second. The combination of high resolution and smooth frame rate allows the REOLINK camera to deliver exceptional video quality. It also has a focal length of 5.3 to 86 millimeters, and maximum aperture is f1.6. This means the focal length can be adjusted, giving you the ability to zoom in and out. Now, my favorite part, 16 times zoom. This camera packs a double punch when it comes to zooming. Here's the quick rundown. With 16 times optical zoom, you can further magnify details within the captured image. This allows you to get a closer look at faraway objects or specific areas of interest. It's important to find a balance between zoom level and image quality. While 16 times zoom offers impressive magnification, using excessive optical zoom can significantly degrade image clarity. Now, let's talk about field of view. This camera offers an impressive adjustable field of view, thanks to its varifocal lens. And now, infrared night vision. Even when the night falls, this camera keeps watch with its impressive night vision capabilities. Up to 80 meters, that's 260 feet in darkness. That's a pretty impressive range. The 7 infrared LEDs, these powerful LEDs act like tiny spotlights, illuminating areas without visible light. Color night vision. It can also capture color night vision with the help of these spotlights. The camera comes equipped with 2 4-watt spotlights that cast a warm 4000 Kelvin light, illuminating areas without being overly glaring. And no, we did not forget about two-way audio. This camera has the ability to communicate both ways, acting as a deterrent to potential intruders. This allows you to remotely interact with anyone near the camera.
Hi. Yeah, I love
You can
the
answer
Doorway
deliveries, greet visitors, or even scare away trespassers, all from the comfort of your smartphone. Now let's talk about storage, the SD card slot. This camera comes equipped with an SD card slot that supports micro SD cards with the maximum capacity of 256 gigabytes. Now, pan and tilt. Let's talk about panoramic coverage. With a 360-degree pan range, the camera can literally rotate a full circle, eliminating blind spots and providing a comprehensive view of your surroundings. Wide tilt range. The 90-degree tilt range allows you to adjust the camera's vertical position, ensuring you can cover everything from ground level up to high points like rooftops or second-story windows. Customizable speed. The pan and tilt speeds are configurable, ranging from 1.4 degrees per second to a much faster 90 degrees per second for the pan and 56 degrees per second for the tilt. Plus, auto tracking keeps a watchful eye on anything that moves, so you can relax knowing nothing gets by unnoticed. But wait, there's more. This camera isn't just a brawny camera, it's brainy too. It can tell the difference between people, pets, and vehicles, so you only get alerts for what matters. Plus, you can create cool time-lapse videos and even connect it to your smart home assistant for voice control and automation. Thank you for watching yet another REOLINK video.
Introducing the Amcrest IP8M2496E 4K PoE bullet camera. This outdoor 4K camera delivers stunning ultra-high definition video in 4K resolution, featuring enhanced low-light capability, utilizing the latest Sony Starvis 8-megapixel image sensor and Ambarella chipset. Cover more ground with a super-wide 112-degree viewing angle to keep more of what matters to you safe. Take an even closer look with 16x digital zoom. Power over Ethernet allows for easy installation with the use of a required PoE injector or switch. Receive intelligent motion alert notifications and review footage via your smartphone with the Amcrest View app. Record events on this outdoor PoE camera as soon as they happen and store them on your computer, micro SD card, NAS, Amcrest NVR, FTP, or Amcrest Cloud with 7, 14, and 30-day plans. View the live feed and play back your videos on a PC or Mac using compatible software and browsers. Whether it's rain or shine, day or night, this outdoor 4K camera is built to weather any storm and the darkest of nights with a heavy-duty metal IP67 weatherproof housing. Illuminate the dark with built-in IR LEDs and a Sony Starvis 8-megapixel progressive image sensor to achieve unsurpassed low-light capability with night vision up to 131 feet. Dual video compression allows for maximum encoding with the latest H.265 technology, which reduces file size, resulting in more efficient storage, while using less bandwidth for your video stream, as well as having backwards compatibility with legacy H.264 platforms. This Amcrest PoE camera features a secure SSL HTTPS connection, FCC and CE certificates, and receives regular firmware updates. At Amcrest, we want to ensure the safety of our customers, their loved ones, homes, and businesses. We stand by our products and provide lifetime support. Amcrest, simple, reliable, secure.